Hi guys, Daddy's not here today. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure he's sick. So today, first I actually want to give out a shout out to Tina Rosie. Thank you, Tina Rosie, for liking my video and subscribing. I subscribed to you and liked some of your videos.
Yes, you sure did. Well, watch out.
So how to make this slab is on my own YouTube channel. Is actually pretty easy. You need shaving cream, what was that? Shaving cream, glue, and laundry detergent. I made this setup. It's actually really fluffy and squishy. Watch this. See ya.
Oh, wait.
You might even win first night. I want first night. Now, go give me the right ticker. No, I got it.
Okay, so that's how I made this slime. And see, I'll show you how to make this slime in another video, like today. So I'll show you right now. Like not right now, because I'm going to do other things. I'm filming right now on YouTube. See how big this is? Oh gosh, this is fun. I love this because I can just poke it.
Nice job, Orange. You let him get away with the royal ping pong set. Well, not all of it.
Yes! Way to go, Dad!
Well, you're in trouble. Swamp error. Do you know how dangerous that was? That was rhetorical. Rhetorical means you're not supposed to have to answer.
Oh, Mr. Bluebear, I'm not one to complain, but I have a complaint. What if your knight shot an arrow through our window? It gave the damsel such a fright that many have come down with the vapors. Vapors? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not one to interrupt. What did I interrupt?
These two squires refused to work together on the battlefield.
Okay, I'll show you how to make it now.
Henry captured by Black Jack, but it didn't, thankfully. Nonetheless, these
I'm
squires
big my stuff, so you need this,
Captain, what better way to teach these squires to work this thing with a partner
this. You can use whatever glue or whatever shaving cream.
It's not traditional training. It's not against the rules.
Yeah, look, I appreciate what you're doing here, that self-improvement thing, but I
And
would say
you absolutely need this to
Come on,
mix.
so that could be fun. Yeah, it's in my fight, but with power and sword. And better shooting. And without dignity. Sir, we're all agreed. Lady Montaigne, please teach these boys how to boogie down.
squires, the fun you're going to have.
So,
This is ridiculous. Free swinging from hips? What are those even? I should be swinging for. This has nothing to do with being a good squire. Or a knight. Chill out, Jimster. It's gonna be fine. You're just nervous. Nervous? What? My dad's the most famous musician in Africa. Rhythm is my middle name. I'm not your middle name. Jimmy!
so first you want to use your glue.
See? Why not see it with your feet? You got this. Come on, Cat.
You don't have to use all of it. You can just use a little bit.
Maybe you should let Cat lead. You can learn by following Cat.